Good morning. I'm on a mini vacation on a cruise ship, and I wanted to tell you a funny story. Just drinking my electrolytes. So last night, this lady came up to me, and she kind of scared me first because she like got really close to my face, and she said, "I just wanted to tell you, you have beautiful skin." She said, "I was looking at you last night and I wanted to tell you, but I'm letting you know now you have really beautiful skin." And I thought that was so sweet of her. It was so nice. Now, I know I do, beauty videos and stuff like that, but it's still really nice when somebody gives you a really nice compliment. So that's something I wanted to remind you today, is when you see somebody, find something nice, positive about them. Maybe it's their fingernails are really pretty, or I don't know, they do their eyebrows nicely, or you love their skin. If you're out and about today, maybe you're at the mall or at work or wherever you are, maybe it's the cashier, I don't know, at your checkout, and find something kind to say, because you never really know whose day you're gonna brighten. I think that it really can, change someone's day. Now, if I was having a really crappy day yesterday, then that really would have made a difference. So you just never know how something so simple, just nice, kind little words, how they can really make a difference. But I'm just washing my face right now. It's morning time. I brought a little sample of one of my favorite morning cleansers. It's the 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑚𝑬𝑹 Extremely Gentle Cleanser. So I wanted to show you the skincare I'm actually using while I'm on this cruise. So it was kind of funny to me that she came up to me, because I specifically have been using this little skincare routine because I'm on a cruise and you're not eating as well. Now, I do eat a ketogenic type of diet. I eat high fat, moderate protein, very low carb to keep my body in that metabolic state. Even on a cruise, like, I bring my own good quality salt, but sometimes they salt the meat and I feel like I get a little puffy because of the salt that they use, and I probably don't hydrate myself as much as I should. So that's why I'm making sure I drink my favorite electrolyte this morning. If you remember Tang when we were kids, that's what this reminds me of, and it really makes a difference, especially if you eat a ketogenic or carnivore lifestyle. I notice I have to have at least one electrolyte every day, or I'll just put quality salt in everything I drink. All right, so I just rinsed off that cleanser. I want to show you the serum that I've been using every single day since I've been on this cruise, and I'm thinking that's what made her think my skin looks better than what it really is right now, because I feel like it's been a little dry, dehydrated, but my skin did look really glowy and healthy and plump and juicy. So hang on one second and I'm going to show you what that was. But I've been using my Paula's Choice for my toner. I just bring this small one with me. This is one I have used this since I think I was 28 years old, and I'm 53 now. Cannot even count how many of these I've purchased, but this is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. It's probably like their biggest seller. But this, when I was 28, I was in Barnes & Noble, and I saw that book, Don't Go the Cosmetics Counter Without Me, and that's how I learned of this brand. And back then I had started getting acne, and this was like the only thing that helped keep my acne kind of at bay back then. But the reason I still use it at 53, I still get breakouts, go figure, but I love how this makes my pores look so snatched. And that's what this ingredient, the BHA, is salicylic acid. That's what this does, is it goes down inside the pores, and it can chemically scoop out anything that is stretching our pores out, and in turn it'll make our pores look really tight and snatched. But for 20 some years, the reason why this is probably my most popular product that I've used the longest for so many years, the reason why I love this is because, I don't know if you noticed this like instant glow that this gives my skin. So this is really good if you have texture. Maybe you look in a mirror and you feel like your skin just doesn't look super smooth. This is a perfect product for that. I don't use it every day though. Now, when I was younger, I used it every day for like 2 weeks in a row, and it literally will like kind of make your skin shed off like a snake. It's kind of interesting and it's kind of nice because the skin that's underneath it is absolutely gorgeous. But for me, I probably use this about 3 times a week in my routine. This can, especially if you're older or if you have dry skin, this BHA can start to make your skin feel like it's dried out. So when I use an exfoliant like that, I like to add a little bit of extra water. I'm just using my 𝑽𝑰𝑵 thermal spring water. I always have one of these with me, always. And now that my skin is nice and damp, I'm gonna use my Paula's Choice 7% Ectoin Booster. I think that this is what, of course, in the combination with the BHA making my pores tight, I think this is what made her say that my skin looked nice. Now, I will say I do think my skin is nice and healthy. For reference, like I said, I'm 53. I do still deal with breakouts, but I have a hyperpigmentation. You can see it a little bit here. Some days it's darker, some days it's lighter, but mine is melasma, so heat will make mine darker. I always have it here because I wear a hat all the time, and so the friction and then the heat from my hat, you know, makes it darker. And then I have some that wraps around here. And, you know, I've had that ever since I was in my 20s. And mine is triggered again from heat, sun, hormones, things like that. My skin is fairly, I'd say, normal, like combo. It used to be really oily, but now after menopause, it's just kind of leveled out. So, all right, and I'm still a little tired, puffy, because I just woke up. But the combination of these two, or just honestly using this with any of your skincare products, this to me is so deeply hydrating and moisturizing. I feel like this just transforms my skin and makes it look like I have this really deep, like, glow deep from within my skin, as if I'd been drinking a ton of electrolytes and water and eating super healthy and not staying up late. This is almost completely dried down, and this is just leaving my skin looking super duper radiant and glowy. So when I first heard of this ingredient Ectoin, I don't know, maybe a year ago, this product never existed. So I was trying all of the different products that had Ectoin in it, and then they just didn't really do anything for my skin. But they only had like 2%, 1%, some of them had like 3, but I just didn't notice anything. And then when this one came out, I tried it because it's 7% Ectoin, which is the highest strength Ectoin product that you can even get on the market. There is nothing else this high strength on the market. So I tried this, and first time I tried it, my jaw dropped. I was mind blown at how amazing this made my skin look. I actually recently just did a giveaway and gave away, I think, 13 or 14. Actually, I gave away 14 of these in a giveaway. That's how much I love this product, you guys. And everyone, I don't think I've seen anyone say anything negative about this. Everyone who leaves me comments who tries this, they're like, oh my gosh, I couldn't believe what my skin instantly transformed into after using this. But what this ingredient does, not only is it super hydrating and moisturizing, but this ingredient Ectoin, it kind of is like a superhero for our skin. The ingredient is meant to withstand really extreme environments. But what this can help do for our skin is it basically can help protect our skin from any of the nasty things that would make our skin not look beautiful and glowy. I feel like I have like this little rooster tail. I do. Like a little rooster tail sticking up. Oh well. Also, what this is great for, if you deal with any redness or eczema or rosacea in your skin, that's where I'm hearing a lot of people rave about this. They're like, oh my gosh, my rosacea, my eczema, it was all calmed down after using this, because it's very healing and anti-inflammatory. And if you're like me, and if you have this hyperpigmentation that's called melasma, my melasma is also triggered from irritation or inflammation in the skin. So this really just helps kind of calm everything down. So that's why I love using this, especially right after I use any type of exfoliating toner. And like I said, this is the one I've been using because my pores just kind of weren't looking that great. But this, to me, this just makes my skin look like really pretty, healthy, glowing skin. Enough so that obviously I got a compliment on my skin. All right, and then I'm just gonna skip a moisturizer because my skin is already super deeply hydrated and moisturized, and I'm gonna put on my Dermatology sunscreen. I know people hate when we squirt stuff on our face, but I don't know, it's just easier sometimes to squirt it directly on the face. And after I rub this in, I'm probably gonna put 3 or 4 more pumps on because I wanna make sure my skin is super duper protected. And also the reason I can skip a moisturizer is because this is actually a moisturizer with a built-in sunscreen with that built-in tint, and this also has some really good antioxidants in it. So Honestly, on those days where I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so lazy and I'm in a hurry, I just splash my face with water and I put this Dermatology sunscreen on, and it looks like I did a whole skincare routine when I really didn't. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of my Color Science, my 3-in-1 Total Eye. I don't share this that often anymore because I feel like the price of this is like through the roof now. I mean, I know a lot of things, the prices have gone up significantly, but this is just, I don't know, I think this is like $80 or something like that now. Now, Dermatology also has one that's supposed to be like a dupe or an affordable alternative for this, but I will say I like this one better. I feel like it's creamier, it gives better coverage, it doesn't crease the way the Dermatology one does, but the Dermatology one still is a nice alternative. This is kind of like, I mean, it barely even shows up. Let me put a little more on so you can see. Some days I just use this in place of a concealer, or if I'm doing kind of like that no makeup look. I don't know if you can tell, you see how it just kind of has this really light peachy tint to it. It's more of like kind of like a moisturizer, it's a sunscreen, an all mineral sunscreen, and then it's like a color corrector all in one. So I mean, it really does help brighten up and color correct that under eye area. But you know, you could just use your regular sunscreen or eye cream or whatever, and then, you know, put your favorite more affordable concealer on. But I will say I do really like this. I got this during Black Friday. I never would pay full price for this anymore. I only buy it when I can get it on sale. I'll make sure I link everything I shared in this video. I'll make sure I link it down in the description box. And also let me know, do you guys want to see like what I bring when I'm traveling just on a short cruise? What are my like non-negotiables that I have to have with me? If you want me to share all of the skincare that I did bring with me on this cruise, leave me a comment, let me know if that's something you want to see. And then also I wanted to mention, I know I share this all the time, but I know sometimes I have new viewers. I do not do sponsored content. I never have, never will. I don't do ads or, you know, paid for commercials, whatever. None of that on my channel, but I do use affiliate links, and you never ever ever have to use my links. I mean, if you do, I appreciate it so much. But honestly, I'm just super appreciative just that you would take the time to even watch my channel. So don't feel like you ever have to shop or buy anything when you watch my channel. On some of my videos, I'm putting up like that paid promotion or whatever thing that YouTube makes you put up, because if, say, a brand sends you a product for free, which I'll always tell you if I get something in PR, but everything here, yeah, I paid for everything that I just shared in this video. But if a brand gives you something for free, they're wanting you to put paid promotion because technically they gave you a product for free that you're sharing. Now, no brand is ever safe on my channel. I'm sure you guys already know that. Even if it's a brand that I love, if I don't like a product that they come out with, I always share my honest opinion. So you definitely won't hear me rave about everything on my channel. I will share the good and the bad. But also, so the reason I put that paid promotion up is not because it's sponsored, not because a brand is like giving me a script or telling me what I have to say, but when I receive like a commission, if you're using my links, when I do receive a commission, that's why I thought, well, I better just start clicking that, because I always want to make sure I'm FTC compliant. And of course, I'm always honest with you guys, and I always tell you, I normally get paid like through YouTube, like, you know, those annoying ads that pop up when you're into somebody's video and then all of a sudden YouTube pops up an ad right in the middle. That's what YouTube does. So if I allow them to put all of their ads, and I don't even know what kind of ads, sometimes it's just a random ad that I'm like, why would they put that on? But they decide what they're putting on there. But they actually pay me commission for letting ads be on my channel like that. So, and again, feel free to just click skip when those ads come up. I don't think I get paid when people do that, but trust me, it's totally fine. Again, I'm just thankful that you watch my channel. Leave me a comment, say hi. And if you ever have any questions at all, I am an open book. If you leave me a comment, I'd say 85–90% of the time, if you leave that comment the first day of a video going up, I will reply to you. If, you know, the video's been up for a few days or weeks or whatever, sometimes I just might not even see that comment. But I am always in the comment section right after a video goes up on my channel for that day. I'll keep checking that day. So if you ever want to chat with me, you have a question about anything, just leave me a comment on a brand new video, and I will, most of the time, I will be able to reply to you. I love chatting with you all. So if you want to see another video of everything that I bring with me, what I think are just the most important non-negotiables so that my skin, when I'm not really sleeping, not drinking enough electrolytes, and I'm not taking care of my skin the way I should, but I want my skin to kind of fake it and look like I'm doing all the right things, let me know if you want to see that other video with everything that I bring with me on a cruise. And don't forget to say something uplifting and kind to hopefully make a difference in someone's day today. Don't forget your sunscreen and stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.